If you are stuck in Play Store and you cannot download new apps on POCO M8 Pro, the first thing that you can do is you can simply close the Play Store. So if you have it open, just go to the background apps and close it completely. Next, we're going to go to the control center and you want to deactivate your Wi-Fi and mobile data, or just one or the other, depending which one you use. So essentially, you want to cut off the access to the internet. Then we're going to go to settings, and then in settings, scroll down to additional settings, go to the date and time, and you want to make sure that time and time zone is set to automatic. So if you turned it off in the past and adjusted the date and time, you want to turn it back on. Same can be said about the time zone, as I mentioned. Now, once that is done, you can turn the mobile data or Wi-Fi back on, and then you can try to go back to the Play Store and download whatever you wanted to download. If that didn't help, you can also restart your phone, so you can use the power button and volume up button at the same time. Let me actually unlock the phone, so you can use both of these buttons, and then of course slide down to reboot your phone. And then once it turns back on, hopefully you will be able to install your app. Subscribe to my channel.